story. Here we talk about Google Chrome, Chrome OS, and other Chromium-based applications. In this video, I want to show you how to change how applications are sorted on your apps menu. So apps menu, you open it by clicking this icon, launcher icon here. Now all the apps appear in a particular order, right? So you can change the sorting. There are two options as of now. So you can right click any app from within the app drawer. Apart from opening and install and all the other options, you will see a sort by option. So you can either sort applications by name or, interestingly enough, by color, right? So if you want it alphabetically sorted, you choose name and then see A, C, C, all the way down to YouTube at the bottom. You can undo it. Let's change it to, oops, I opened up the app. That's not what I wanted to do. Close. Okay. So now let's come back here. If I right click and sort by, and then I choose color, it sorts based on color. I think the gray application icons are all the way at the bottom, and I see red and other Google colors at the top. So not sure if that's very useful, but again, that's how you change how your applications are sorted in the apps launcher. Now, if you here you have this option which lets you show and hide your most recent files and your most recently used applications as well. So that's an interesting and useful bit on the launcher. So I hope you found this little tutorial useful. If you did, let me know by clicking that like button just below this video. Thank you for watching.